Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to take off shellac at home. It's honestly so easy, and now that all the salons are closed because of quarantine, I was like, you know what? Let me make a quick video to show people because I know all of our nails are a struggle, and believe me, it is a struggle out here. So I figured, let me show you guys how I do it. It's so easy. And it's affordable. Even when the salons open back up, I've noticed sometimes they charge me to take my shellac off if I'm doing another shellac, which I don't understand. But now you can do it at home and you don't have to pay for it. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. What you're gonna need is 100% pure acetone, cotton balls, aluminum foil. I cut them into 10 squares, one for each toe, and a cuticle pusher. Go ahead and soak each cotton ball with the acetone, and when I say soaked, I mean drenched. Like, make sure it's very, very soaked. Put your feet over a tub or a bowl. Careful because acetone is messy and it will ruin your clothes or material, so I think a tub is best. Place each cotton ball on top of each toenail and wrap the aluminum squares around each toe. This is just going to make sure it's secure and it doesn't slip and it just stays in place. Now you're going to wait 15 minutes. You can wait around like me, or you can just be on your phone, watch Instagram, TikToks. Now the 15 minutes is finally up. Grab your cuticle pusher. You're going to start taking the aluminum foil off of each toe and gently scraping off the shellac. As you can see, it's coming off like butter. Like, it's so easy to come off since we've soaked it with acetone. Now that the shellac is completely off, I like to soak my feet in warm water for about 5 minutes. Grab a towel, a nail file, and a nail buffer. Dry your foot completely. You want to make sure your nails are completely dry before moving on to the next step. Now you're just going to grab a buffer and you're going to buff each toenail. This is going to get rid of any ridges and make sure it's like a nice smooth application, and go ahead and file your nails. And we are done. The shellac is completely off, and I don't know about you guys, but I love doing this method instead of the drill at the salon, because that drill, no, I feel like it's about to take my whole nail off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. If you guys want an at-home pedicure routine, let me know, and I will see you in my next video.